paddle using the wooden stick. The reason for using corrugated sheet is because it doesn't get wet due to water. I've made the shape, taped it, and the wooden sticks on the side. Now I will put a rubber band at the end of the board and shift the paddle in between the rubber bands. This is what is supposed to happen because of the elastic properties of the rubber band. When I move this paddle behind and drop this in water, the paddle will unroll and make the wood go ahead. So let's try this in water. Now let's test this. Like I said, I will roll the paddle behind. The more you roll, the more it moves. So I'm rolling it. Now let's drop this in water and let's see what happens. So I'll drop it in this direction. As you can see, the boat is going ahead. Depending on how much you roll the paddle, the more it will go ahead. And that is how the paddle boat works. Thank you.